All right, thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. And we are on the downhill side of this storm as it exits off to the east and brings the brunt of its activity to eastern Minnesota and the North Shore. We continue to see very dangerous travel conditions, so we urge you to just stay put as we go through the evening hours. Conditions are improving from west to east, but we do have a wind chill advisory as we go through the overnight and into the middle of your day tomorrow. We could have wind chills around 30 to as cold as 50 below at times. Here's a look at the latest radar. Again, the North Shore straight through the Twin Cities, where we have reports already of over 7 inches of snow falling there along with the winds. That extends all the way south into the Nebraska area. For us, we're starting to see things clear out. In fact, it's been a quiet afternoon minus the winds in places like Grand Forks and Devil's Lake. The snow is exiting off to the east at a fairly slow clip. Now we see the edge of that snow band is right at St. Cloud, but we still have a lot of wind behind that, and the blizzard warning does continue. This storm system bringing havoc all the way across the Mississippi River Delta, all the way down into Louisiana, where we have active tornado and thunderstorm warnings at this time. A huge storm system, a lot of cold air with it, and that's what we're seeing moving in now to the Devil's Lake Basin. And unbalmy 4 below zero in Devil's Lake at this hour. Now the winds are quietest in Devil's Lake, but the rest of us still seeing gusts, and in fact they're over 50 miles per hour at times here in Fargo and in Fergus Falls and on your way to the Twin Cities, as well as down south towards Sioux Falls. So it doesn't matter whether it's I-94 south or 29 south. Things are rough and tumble. Visibility is down under a mile at times in the Twin Cities and between Fargo and Minneapolis, and current wind chills are already at 20 to 30 degrees below zero. Right now, look at your current conditions at Hector International. Our wind is gusting to almost 50 miles per hour. It feels like 25 below. It's a bundle up kind of night. It is also imperative that you have that survival kit that includes something to stay warm if your engine shuts off or dies out in this kind of nasty cold. So we go towards 10 o'clock. Look at the wind arrows. They still are yellow. They are still red. And in those areas, expect gusts over 40 miles per hour to continue even into the overnight. Look at this. So we go through the overnight and towards morning, they settle down a pinch in our area. The lightest winds out to the west, and we will still have gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour for many from the valley and points east. That will carry wind chills into that 30 to 50 degree below category for the morning. And look at these air temperatures in white. 10 to 20 below for the actual air temperatures. Heading through the day, we'll see a lot of sunshine. The north winds will continue, but in the afternoon, they start to taper off. It gets quiet. It will not be warm for your Christmas Eve. We'll have increasing clouds late as a warm front tries to push in for Santa and the reindeer. A chance for a flurry into your Christmas Eve. We'll have much more on that tonight at 10, but for now, we start out at 10 below. Temperatures warm into the single digits, but just above zero. As the wind decreases in the afternoon, it looks like a quiet night with steady temperatures here and increasing clouds late. Your hometown forecast shows single-digit readings above zero and below zero across the region for your Christmas Eve day. David captured an absolutely stunning scene here from the Ulen area. Thanks, David, for taking the time to upload. Christmas Day, warmer still in Fargo, near 20 degrees. Then as we go through the next 7-day period, it looks very quiet. We do cool off a little bit, but nothing as cold as will be tomorrow morning. So as I said, at the very onset, we are on the downhill side of this, but it's still going to be dangerously cold. So remember your pets and try to stay put until we get through this mess.
All right, thanks.